Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Are you dairy free but you love coffee with yummy thick cream like me? You will love nutpods Toasted Marshmallow Creamer. This is a sugar-free, no sugar added at all creamer. It's true that this is healthy, but the main reason I love it is because it tastes like marshmallow fluff. It's amazing. When I whip this up in the frother, it comes out like marshmallow fluff. And it's so thick, like real cream. It's made with coconut and almond milk, and it tastes genuinely like toasted marshmallow. When I fluff this up in my frother, it tastes like marshmallow fluff, but without the sugar. If you want it sweet, you can add your own sweetener, which I also like because then I can control what sweetener I'm adding and how much. I highly recommend the nutpods creamer, and especially this toasted marshmallow is super yummy, and that's my point of view.